What's going on, my webheads? It's your friend in the neighborhood, Ridgewood.Spidey. And today I'm here with a new unboxing video. I have two suits in here, and they came from Zentai Zone. Before I unbox this, I want to show off the new Novelty Force compression shirt. It came in for me yesterday, and it's awesome. I love it. It's very good to work out. I feel, you know, more powerful. And I'll show you the back too. And I actually purchased one of these for short sleeve, and once I saw the long sleeve, I actually thought it was really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description for you guys to purchase one as well. I also want to give a shout out to Spidey. You can use his discount code. It's TStunny. You get a 10% off your purchase, and it's really worth it, guys. So yeah, but on to the best part. This actually came in Wednesday, but I waited till today to do it for you guys because I'm really excited. I know you guys are excited too. Let's finally get this open. Another bag. Wow, look at that. I think I'm gonna get to this one first. So this one is the Bagley Ultimate Spider-Man suit. Now this suit pattern is by Brandon Gilberto, Arachnid Studios, I would say. Yeah, I saw a lot of good reviews on this suit. I know there's a lot of cosplayers have it, so I really wanted one as well. Sorry. And yeah, let's see how it looks. I did attach soles, a U-shaped zipper, and a back neck zipper. Oh god, this is annoying. Look, we have another thank you card from Zentai Zone. But I'll get to that later. So yeah, let's get to the best part. Wow, guys, this look, wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at this. Well, I know you guys probably seen it, but wow. Colors are very great. They're very vibrant too. Wow. Looks just like the picture, like Zentai Zone had in their website. Yeah, I also did get the eye holes cut as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, here's the back spider. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this suit to show you how it looks, and I'll see you till then. Alright guys, here it is, the Bagley Ultimate Spider-Man suit. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Perfect fits my body. Got nice TASM 2 lenses from Zentai Zone as well. Made my own face shell. U-shaped zipper. Barely see it. They really, what I like about this suit, they really upgraded on their features. Like the U-shaped zipper is more hidden. It's more easy to get in and out of. And also the back neck zipper, you can barely see it as well. Here's the back spider. And here are the soles as well. Got the soles. And they actually feel more comfortable. That's actually pretty good, because usually when I get soles in my suits, they feel really uncomfortable on my feet, but I guess they really upgraded a lot too, and They look more glued to the foot as well. Yeah, guys, this suit is awesome. I love it. I'm in love once more. Alright guys, so this is the Bagley suit. Just reviewed it right now. The fabric's great, like I said. Alright, and now we're gonna go on to my next suit, which is a very good surprise for you guys because probably none of you expected this as well. I would say probably about 2 cosplayers already own this suit. So I saw it and I decided to have one for myself. So here it goes. Awesome. This is the classic Romita suit. Another comic book style from the Amazing Spider-Man series. Yeah, guys, so far it looks great. And I wanted something new. I wanted to go old school because, you know, that's how everything started, and then we're in the new generation today. So let's see how this came out. Same way with soles, U-shaped zipper, and a back neck zipper. Oh, another car flying out. We got everything flying out today. Wow, guys, check this out. Look at this. You guys see this? Wow. This is amazing. Another zipper. Wow. And then zipper, can't even see the zipper. U-shaped zipper, soles. But the only problem is I did not get this one with the eye holes cut, and the reason why I didn't do that is because I wanted to see how they would cut the eye holes, and they did it perfect for this suit. So I'm gonna do that from now on. I'm gonna purchase the open eyes option from now on because they do it really great. So yeah, I'm gonna get into this suit right now to see how it looks. All right, guys, here it is, the classic Ramita suit. What do you guys think? It feels awesome. I love it. Colors are very nice. They're very vibrant. And I'm gonna show you the back now. What do you guys think? I don't want so, but bear with me. Yep. Again, U-shaped zipper. Back neck zipper. Very invisible. They really upgraded on their zippers. It's awesome. And I got the soles as well. Soles are very comfortable now. They're very, very comfortable. I love it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Yeah, these suits are great. I'll put the links in the description. And another thing too, I want to give a shout out to Spidey Morpher because he has also a discount on Zentai Zone. You can get, if I'm not mistaken, it's 10% off discount as well. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. It really helped me a lot when I purchased my suits. I saved maybe about $25, and it's worth it. Yeah, I'll put a link in like I said, put the links in the description, and hope to see you guys till then. All right, stay web headed.